Zup y'all, it's John Masterly and Lulu here. We're taking a trip out to New York City. And this is the first time we've flown into Newark after United had upgraded their Terminal C. It is absolutely stunning. So let's check it out. Now, Newark is one of 3 major airports that services New York City. All of them are actually quite far, so taking a cabin is oftentimes a huge ordeal, which will cost you $30 to $80 easily. On top of that, these airports are all really busy. New York City is easily one of the most popular places in the world. 50 million people come through this airport every single year, which is more than the entire population of Canada plus Denmark, and we'll just throw in Hong Kong in there as well, combined. So oftentimes for me, when I travel to New York City, I'm not exactly in the best of moods.
New York traffic!
Trying to weave my way through all that human traffic and the unpleasant experience of flying. So it's such a fresh a breath air to be able to experience this brand new terminal here in Newark, which is easily one of the most pleasing airports we have ever experienced here in the United States. Now, Terminal C is pretty much used entirely by United Airlines, which has pretty much turned Terminal C into its New York City hub. About 70% of all flights from New York are actually United flights. We happen to be traveling during a weekday, so we were fortunate enough to not run into a massive throng of people. I love the new architecture here. What they've done is build a lot of glass panel everywhere, so natural sunlight just beams into everything and brightens the mood. It's got an ultra modern design that is encapsulated through everything here. One of the most impressive things that they've done is open up 55 new restaurants and invited celebrity chefs to come in and cook up a storm.
We tried some Chinese food and it was so delicious.
Oh, hey, check this out. This has got to be the most impressive display of alcohol I've ever seen. Which, if you kind of think about it, probably isn't a great idea considering that we're just goading the alcoholics to overload before they lock themselves into a flying tube with a bunch of other people. And speaking of ideas that feels a little bit half-baked, there's also an impressive display of iPads everywhere, over 6,000 total. They built them onto every single table, whether you're sitting in a restaurant, or whether you're sitting in a resting area, or whether you're sitting in a lounge. It just looks really cool, it looks really modern, and it looks like a great convenience. But if you look a little bit closer, most people aren't even using them. There's a fee to use most of the features on these tablets. And come on, doesn't everyone already have a smartphone or a tablet today? And considering that Wi-Fi is free in this airport, there doesn't seem to be much incentive to even use these tablets. It never actually feels that crowded. They did a great job of creating a very wide open space, which is a sensation that feels completely opposite the minute you step foot into New York City.
This feels like the kind of place I want to hang out in every weekend.
So I hope you enjoy this walking tour. If you love roaming the world with us, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for more. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. Peace out.